Yeah, that ocean is so big. That's why we're gonna go to another ocean. That's without waves. Right? This is only for daddies and mommies? Come here, this way. Parang baliktad na yung damit ko. Baliktad na siya. Likod ba to? Oo nga. Wag mong masyadong upuan naman.